Want to log into Nvidia with Facebook? Here's how to do it. First, open your browser and go to Nvidia's login page. Here you will see a sign in button at the top right corner. Click it. Now you can see many options to log in. Tap Login with Facebook. Nvidia will request access to your Facebook account. Once the access is granted, you will need to enter your email address, your display name, and your date of birth to complete your profile. Once it's done, tap on Create Account. If the Facebook login is not working, check if you have third-party app permissions enabled. Which login method do you prefer? Tell us in the comments. And that's it. You are now logged into Nvidia with Facebook. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.